Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10 Lite. In this video I will show you how to enter File Manager. In the beginning, let's enter App Drawer and search for Files or File Manager app. You can enter either of those. Thanks to File Manager, you can organize your files, divided to many categories like images, videos, documents, music, applications, Bluetooth and downloads, archives and more. Also, you can go to your internal storage on your smartphone, and thanks to many, you can go to Google Drive, connect to computer, transfer files, you can perform deep clean, check your favorites, enter private files, enable dark mode and go to settings. And that's basically it. Also, if you go to Files app by Google, you've got access to Nearby Share and Trash Can. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.